Merhaba passengers, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard the inaugural episode of the Widen Your World podcast, part of the Turkish Airlines series. In each episode, we'll transport you to a corner of the globe, whether you've been there, done that, or it's a new addition to your travel wish list. We hope you'll disembark feeling inspired to explore more. Please fasten your seatbelts, then sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. International travel is synonymous with inspiration. From the very first trip to the completion of a bucket list, travel can truly widen your world. Cultural immersion in a country far from your own breeds empathy, open-mindedness, and understanding. The transformative power of travel often results in tremendous personal growth, and the utter joy that comes from discovering breathtaking landscapes or relics of world history is absolutely unmatched. It's an honor to have you on board Turkish Airlines. Now, let's get inspired. Picture yourself here, wandering aimlessly down the colorful aisles of Istanbul's Grand Bazaar. This enormous, bustling market is a feast for the senses. Traders haggling over prices, fellow tourists eyeing intricate carpets and beautiful lamps and lokum, the jelly candy, better known as Turkish delight. Then you notice a once grand entrance to quieter quarters. Inside, a dark alley with a flight of impossibly old cement stairs at the end. A shaft of sunlight pouring down from above. This is a Turkish han, or caravansary, an inn that housed Silk Road merchant caravans in the 17th century. Here, the daily life of the Turk is on full display. A woman toils behind a sewing machine. A group of children kick a football in a small courtyard. An old man kneels on a prayer rug. You stand in awe of the ever-present archways, the smell of kebabs on the fire, the sound of lives well lived. Then a voice beckons you.
Do you want to go to the rooftop?
A woman jingles her keys and leads you onto the rooftop maze of interconnected buildings, each seemingly older than the last, and all of Istanbul is spread out before you. Ah, this is the kind of cultural immersion that opens your mind to new perspectives in different ways of life. The kind of travel that fosters a deeper understanding and appreciation of global diversity. On your next stop in Türkiye, imagine walking amongst the surreal rock formations of Cappadocia. They're known as fairy chimneys, and some of these cone-shaped giants tower 40 meters into the sky. The lunar-like landscape feels like nothing you've ever expected to find in the middle of Türkiye, yet here you are. The beauty of nature is broken only by the majestic sight of dozens of colorful hot air balloons giving tourists a bird's-eye view of the rocky phenomenon below. It's idyllic to be sure, but it's not too perfect. After all, travel never is. The summer heat can be misery. High winds might cancel that hot air balloon ride you booked far in advance, or maybe you forgot your smartphone in your hotel room. Traveling to new places like Cappadocia challenges you to step out of your comfort zone, adapt to new environments, and overcome unexpected challenges. These experiences build resilience, confidence, and a sense of adventure you'll carry with you long after vacation is over. That's why Turkish Airlines invites you to feel the transformative power of travel. We offer you the opportunity to embark on a true journey, not just a trip, an experience that pushes boundaries and encourages personal growth with every flight. In Türkiye, history is everywhere. You feel it in your bones, almost from the moment you step off the plane. In Istanbul, the glory of the Hagia Sophia Mosque leaves you absolutely speechless. Its iconic domes and a quartet of spires greet you from the outside. And inside, wow, the famous chandeliers, the perfect arches and marble columns. The stained glass, the intricate mosaics. The Hagia Sophia Mosque has always been one of the most magnificent structures on the planet. From the soul-touching beauty of this iconic structure, which was built 1,500 years ago, you can travel much further back in time to cities established by the ancient Greeks around the 9th century BC. In Ephesus, the looming facade of the Library of Celsus stands proud before you, like it's leaping out of the pages of a pop-up history textbook. And in Pergamon, echoes of ancient Greece and the Roman Empire ring out from the Acropolis perched on a hilltop, a striking location for ruins of such significance. And finally, your journey takes you all the way back to the place where the world's oldest solar calendar was recently discovered. The archaeological site Göbekli Tepe is thought to be 12,000 years old. It's almost hard to believe as you stare at the circular arrangement of rock walls and megaliths that seem older than time itself. UNESCO World Heritage Sites like these are found in Türkiye and all across the globe. Close encounters with them can ignite curiosity and creativity, reminding you of the enormity and the jaw-dropping beauty of our world, its history, and its cultures. We're approaching our final destination on this maiden voyage of the Widen Your World podcast. You've seen the captivating wonders of Istanbul, experienced the one and only Cappadocia, and time-traveled to a trio of Türkiye's World Heritage Sites. This is the right way to travel, immersing yourself in the rich cultural and historical heritage of this extraordinary region, where hidden gems and timeless treasures abound. Ladies and gentlemen, we've arrived. Thank you for flying with us, and we hope to see you on another Turkish Airlines flight very soon. And remember, travel is always the best way to widen your world. So, where do you want to go next? The Widen Your World podcast is part of the Turkish Airlines series. Book your next flight today at turkishairlines.com.